In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Figma on laptop. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Figma in your web browser. You can be on the main file browser or your drafts. The key is that you're looking at the standard Figma home interface. Up at the top left, you'll see your account name. Click that. This opens a small menu that collects a few useful links related to your account and app preferences. We're using it as the quickest, most reliable way to get to the official desktop download, so you're not hunting through search results or third-party sites. In that menu, click Get Desktop App. As soon as you do, Figma will take you to its official downloads page. This page is maintained by Figma and always has the current version, so it's a good bookmark if you manage multiple devices. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, allow this page to load. It's a simple, safe navigation within Figma.com. On the Downloads page, look for the options labeled Desktop App for Mac OS and Desktop App for Windows. Choose the one that matches the laptop you're using right now. If you're on a Mac, select the Mac OS option. If you're on a Windows laptop, choose the Windows option. Clicking the correct button starts the download immediately. Depending on your browser, you might be asked where to save the file. If so, pick a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. If the download doesn't start, try clicking the button again, or temporarily pausing any aggressive extensions that block downloads. A quick tip for Mac users. Some pages may offer different builds for different chips. If you see separate choices for Apple Silicon and Intel, pick the one that matches your Mac's processor. For Windows users, just make sure you have enough free space and that you're downloading while connected to a stable network, since the installer can be a few hundred megabytes. That's all there is to downloading the Figma desktop app from within your account. We used the account menu to ensure we landed on the correct downloads page, and then selected the desktop app for the operating system you're using. If you prefer to navigate directly, the same downloads page is available on Figma's website, but going through your account helps confirm you're in the right place. Once the file finishes downloading, you're ready to move on to installation and sign in on your device. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section to follow along at your own pace.